Let's do today a one known as bound angle pose. So bound angle pose is a Baddha Konasana. Baddha is bound and Kon is angle. Bound angle pose. This has given in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika by Swami Swatmaram, a epic of yoga is considered as one of the basic yoga epic. This Baddha Konasana has almost 30 variations. So let's do only the one or two variations of it, but you can try different variations by yourself. Again, the very important contraindications for this: those who have knee problems, they should not do it, and those who have a very severe sciatic pain, they should not do it. Though it is said that it relieves the moderate sciatic pain, it relieves the it helps to relieve rather some kind of sciatica. But again, it is also said in many of the research papers that if you do it more than a capacity, it can cause a problem. Pregnant ladies, it is said that Baddha Konasana, the variation without bending, it can be done by them with the complete supervision of doctor, because in pregnancy some ladies, they may be sensitive towards the thighs and groin area. Some may have a capacity to definitely sit properly in a straight and do the Baddha Konasana. Can I request somebody please go on mute so that there won't be any echo? Somebody who is on not on mute, may I request? Thank you very much. Appreciated. Quick action. Okay. So about contraindication, if somebody has say pelvic injuries or injuries to the thighs or injury to any vertebral column, the Baddha Konasana should not be done. So, and also it is said that the people who are suffering from say cervical spondylosis, because in Baddha Konasana one of the variation, you have to bend, okay, and touch your head to the toes. In that case, pregnant ladies as well as cervical spondylosis people, they should not do this asana. So there are a number of restrictions, contraindications to this asana. So my request, those who have any question, they should immediately contact doctor before doing this asana. Okay, don't hurry about it, because it has immense advantages and then cautions too. So let's do some preparation of Baddha Konasana. For this, what we should do, try to touch your sole together first, and let's have the butterfly. In this case, what you can do, you can keep hold of your both the sole together, sole of your feet together, and do the butterfly. The process is very simple, Baddha Konasana. The variations are different, and the variations have almost 30 to 40 different variation of Baddha Konasana. Okay, let's do butterfly, and let's bring both the legs near as possible. Baddha is bound, angle, we have given angle to our knees. So try to touch very slowly the perineal part, the space between genitals and anus, to your heel. Try to touch this and try to push your both knees down very slowly, and keep your vertebral column, backbone as straight as possible. Observe the stretch you have in the thighs, your pelvic, your knee. You'll find there is a stretch in the chest also, in the abdomen, in tummy. You can have a pulling of your complete feet together and try to bring your knees as near to the floor as possible and keep a straight backbone. Take a deep breathe out, take a deep breathe out, take a deep breathe out. When you will find that when you are breathing, if you have pulled your legs very near, you will sense your breathing in your thighs. Our thighs doesn't have a habit, specifically the hamstring, which is a inside muscle of the thigh. It doesn't have a habit to stretch more than a limit. So you'll find this particular asana, it will stretch your calf, your toes, thighs, having a pressure on the knee. Those people who have a problem in keeping the legs this way, they can keep a small pillow below the thighs, and they can rest that thighs initially. There is one variation. Come back to the normal Dandasana. Let's do another variation. So the another variation, again bring your leg near in a comfortable position so that your knees can touch the ground in a comfortable position. Everybody has a different distance of comfortable position from their body to the toes. Very slowly put your both the hands below your calf this way. Both the hands, try to hold both the feet and take a deep breath. Slowly breathe out. Bend forward. Try to touch your head to your feet. Complete breathe out. Observe the stretch you have in tummy. Slowly come back, breathe in. Again go down, breathe out. Observe the stretch in your hamstring muscle of thigh, in the pelvic region. Be there for 10 to 20 seconds. You can breathe in, breathe out here. See the difficulty you have in breathing and breathe out. Because of this difficulty you have in breathe in and breathe out, you will shed off the weight on the belly. And no doubt that this position is not to be done when you have hypertension, open heart surgery, heart problems, pregnancy, and also not recommended in monthly cycle of ladies. Breathe out. Very slowly come back. Bring your hands to original position. Take a deep breath and come back to original position. This was the process of the Baddha Konasana bound angle pose. The bound angle pose also reduces the tummy fat. The advantages of bound angle pose, very simply, very importantly, is a very good digestion power it imparts. It helps in digestion, it helps in stabilizes the digestion, it increases the even craving if it is not there. It also cleans up the gut if it is done 3 to 4 times. But definitely people having suffering from any backache, heavy backache, slip disc, they should not do it. The very importantly, for a pregnant woman, the bending is not advisable. However, with the consent of doctor, the straight Baddha Konasana or the bound angle pose is considered as okay only in the first trimester. But it should be connected, you should connect with your doctor. It is said that it relieves the to large extent the pains of sciatica, but again if it is a severe pain, you should connect with your doctor. Importantly, it increases the strength of hamstring, the thigh muscle. It also reduces the back portion fat. It also said that it increases the genital powers very heavily. So you will get the complete vital energy out of your body, and that is what the Baddha Konasana is. There are variations where one leg is spread, one leg is kept in the Baddha Konasana, one leg is on the on your shoulder, and other leg is in the Baddha Konasana. Both the legs are hold, and there is a Supta Baddha Konasana, there is a Ardha Baddha Konasana. There are n number of variations of Baddha Konasana you will find, but the Baddha Konasana given by Swami Swatmaram is this. Okay, so let's go for